but alas, you have broken your vow. My head, it is bent down with sorrow. My heart, it is lonely just now. Then why did you try to deceive me when you knew that my heart, it was true? Good to you who is now going to leave me, I am parting forever with you. Give me back every fond word once spoken. Let it be as though we never had met, and I will return every token. I'll forgive and I'll try to forget.
Oh, do you remember the evening
When the moon through the trees it did shine,
with a smile and a kiss as a token?
you promised that you'd be mine. I'll give back every fond little token. First the ring, then the lock of your hair, and the card with your picture upon it, of a face that's as false as it's fair. Give me back every fond word once spoken. Let it be as though we never had met, and I will return every token. I'll forgive and I'll try to forget. Forgive and I'll try to
Forgive and I'll try to
forget.